Let's get ready for planting our potatoes on Good Friday. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, everyone, and today we're going to talk about getting ready for planting our potatoes on Good Friday. And you might say, why Good Friday? It's an old gardener's tale that you should plant them on Good Friday as it's to do with the moon. So yeah, if you're superstitious or follow the moon like me, I always do follow it, and I always plant them on Good Friday. Even if it's early, I've always planted it. Like sometimes Good Friday's in March, and yeah, we've always planted them on Good Friday. Now, how do you get ready for planting your potatoes? I'm going to be growing mine in tubs this year because I've done it for the last few years and I prefer it, to be honest, rather than planting them in the soil. If you plant them in the soil, they're susceptible to wireworm and slugs, and also when you're digging them up you end up stabbing them and then you ruin them, which I always do, and I end up ruining all the good ones, and all the bad ones are the ones that I miss. And yeah, I always struggle with that. So I grow them in tubs, and then when they're ready to harvest you can just tip them out and collect all the potatoes and not risk about stabbing any. Obviously you need to keep them watered better because sometimes they dry out a lot faster, but if you're down here regular, that's perfectly fine. So let's show you the containers that we're going to be growing them in. So these are the containers that we're going to be growing them in, which we got from Oakland Gardens Limited, and we've got 10 of these, so we'll probably plant about 3 in each one. I think 3 is enough. These are 30 litre, and as you can see they've got holes in the bottom so that they're perfect for drainage and they won't get flooded with water if it rains really bad. But yeah, they'll be absolutely perfect. So we're going to grow them in them. We're going to keep them inside for the first month or so, and then we'll take them outside when it gets a bit warmer, and that'll give them a speedier start down in the plot. And what we tend to do is that we put the compost in the bottom and obviously put the soil in them, and then we put some food in. And what sort of food it is, you may ask? Well, it's actually called potato fertilizer, and this is the potato fertilizer that I will put in the bottom. It'll obviously feed them because potatoes will take a lot of the nutrition from the compost, so you need to add that little bit extra. So we'll pop some around the potatoes, and then we'll put some on top every couple of weeks once they're getting growing, so that they'll keep feeding them and hopefully get some massive potatoes growing down here. And as for the potatoes, if you've not got them yet, go to the garden centres, most have got them in at the moment, and yeah, start chitting them. And chitting them means that it starts some sprouting. As you can see, they've got little sprouts coming on their eyes, and they're like blacking off like that, but that's perfectly fine. You don't want to really weed out and big shoots on them. You just want these little shoots on them like that. And the reason why we chit them is because it gets them ready for harvesting that couple of weeks extra. And yeah, you don't need to chit them if you don't want to chit them, but that's one thing that I've always done and I've always stuck with doing them. So yeah, we'll keep them in there until Good Friday. They need to be in a light, airy space and damp free, and hopefully you'll get some great potatoes. So make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with the potatoes, and we will be planting these on Good Friday, like I said. Feel free to join along and plant yours on Good Friday, and we'll see how we all get on with them all. So until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.